Welcome to the Wolcott project. My name is Alex Curry. This isn't going to be a typical giveaway. It's really hard for me because it would be one of the main products of the Wolcott project. It wouldn't be a big money maker. In fact, the Wolcott project and me too would be losing money. It would be free for veterans at least. And I don't know how much electricity smaller CNC machines or 3D printers use, so electrical costs and all that, but my instincts say don't give this away for free, and I rarely don't listen to them. you know, I, but something's telling me, hey, give it away. So, well, let's rip off the band-aid and get done with it. Alright, here is my MTM watch. I think they're on specsopwatches.com. Yeah, you should be able to see the links. Alright. And these links, what it'll be is you use a red filament if you're 3D printing, or you anodize the material if you're using a metal. And then in it you carve it'll be used as an allergy tag. So for me it's penicillin, so it'll be red. Have PCN carved in there like deep, so it can't be scratched off. And even if gunk gets in there, you can still see it. Then on the inside, it'll be real hard to show. Anyway, the other side of the link, the part that is against the person's wrist, would be their social security number, name, if not both. I almost forgot. And along with the allergy, it'll be the blood type. So the person, for whatever reason, is incapacitated, incoherent. Well, EMS or other medical personnel can see it. Go, okay, this person has this allergy. They're this blood type. All right, let's get this handled. And then when things calm down, they could take the watch off and go, okay, now we can identify the person. They won't need to hunt for a wallet, ID card, which you may not have. Well, everybody has one. They may not have one on their person at the time. They won't have to reach in a shirt. It'll be, because you pull up the sleeve anyway to check for possible other injuries. Anyway, so yeah, I brought this idea to MTM, and they said, oh, we're working on a digital version. Well, that's great. That's relying on circuitry, that's relying on a battery, and any one of those things might fail. And an emergency situation, and that battery's done, well, too bad. Versus analog, you wouldn't be able to break it. At least this version of analog, because it's one piece. And what else? You can. I'm pretty sure from their website, you can order a single link, so you can get all your measurements. Because my measurements, what I believe them to be, may be different from your instruments, and all your machines are calibrated to your instruments and vice versa. So you can also get a cheaper version at Walmart. Similar links. I know there's lady watches that have similar link but smaller. I don't believe MTM offers that. I think it's just this one size. So I guess that about covers everything for my giveaway. I hope you appreciate it. I guess let's shameless promotion here. Please go watch my level 1 restart meet your new maker video. I know it's long, but it took me months to get that information. You get a solid number for the Wolcott project. Excuse me. And my other video It's called What's That Object Part Do? There was a first part, but I deleted it, and I'm not changing the name. So, there's that. And what it is since I was a child, there was this thing in the sky, right? I couldn't identify it then. I still can't identify it. You'll hear me say this if you watch a video. I've used various apps that are star charts and everything, physical star charts, and it doesn't show anything there. So hopefully somebody will be able to help me identify that. Alright, thank you for watching the Wolcott project. Please, if you can, $1 for, on my GoFundMe. I would like everybody just to donate $1. So, and that's, I think I ran the numbers. It's like 3 some odd million people, which is a lot of people. But and if you want to donate more, that would be greatly appreciated. And in case you haven't heard, my plan is one of the first products for the Wolcott project would be a yearbook. I don't know what else to call it. It'll have a list of donors. It would have setting up. It would have all that other good stuff, pictures of that, the first products, which I'm thinking about once the Wolcott project gets up and running, the way I want it done. Do a contest of the first thing CNC'd, and if I end up buying a 3D printed, first thing 3D printed, and of course credit to the idea would be in the yearbook. I don't know how much the physical yearbook would cost. That would depend. I might make it cost neutral where I make no money off of it. Can't make that promise. But the PDF version would be free. Alright, thank you for watching. Appreciate your time.